So when I perform my character, especially Miss Hiccup, so it takes me to the world that I didn't know before, because through that character I can see many other people from all over the world, including kids, adult, senior people, like many other people. Like even when I walk on the streets in other countries with my makeup and the costume on, and so many strangers talk to me like, what's going on, or like, what are you doing, or like even the street kids or street people who don't have their home easily talk to me because of my clown face, and then my character is covered with hundreds of flowers, so it's really colorful. So like I'm like the walking bouquet, so people talk to me a lot. And after the show in the theater, of course, many people talk to me, and in real, I'm a little bit shy person, but in my character, even I don't speak, but I can communicate with people, so I like it. I think in general people think being funny is more difficult for women than men, because for example, if men wear the wig, like long hair, it's just funny, or it's really simple. But everybody laughs about like wigs with men. But being funny as a woman, if you just wear the wig, it's not funny. So you have to be more like creative. I don't know why, but it's like natural thing. Or someone, one Japanese director told me once, like male people are naturally born with some funny elements, and then female do not have that element. So if you want to be a clown or like comedian, and you have to really try hard. I don't know why, but I think it's a sort of truth. So yeah, it's really different. But maybe I think it's not only in Japan but also in other countries, like in the TV shows or whatever, when men wear the female costume or wig, like people laugh like so quickly, But if a woman wear the male costume or wig, it's not that easy funny. So I don't know why. Maybe it's about a traditional thing or history, like men have lots more power in the history. So then if those men try to pretend to be woman, which is meant to be a weak, powerless people, that would be funny. I don't know. And then if the woman pretend to be a man, which means the weak people try to be powerful, so that is not funny for people. I don't know. So like, I don't know. But so if the male clowns can be really stupid and silly easily, but if the female clowns do the really same things, it's not just funny, but it's more like pity or like oh. So it's harder for female clowns to be funny because you should be really powerful and tough beforehand, and then people can laugh like at ease, like ha 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 ha, because she's funny, you know, she's not weak. So you have to be like powerful, tough, and then you can make people laugh if you're a female clown, I think. Red nose because I've not been trained as a clown. So when I started my original show, I didn't know about clown, anything about it. I just, of course, I went to the circus just a few times in my whole life when I was a child, and also I saw several films, so I knew about the red nose. But when I started my original show, I didn't think about my show would be a clown show, so I never thought about it. So I just tried to make up with my friends' help. We designed the makeup, and then we thought about like how to create this character more like fantasic way or like more unique way. Even I didn't know about the definition of the clown. So like, what's clown? Like white face is a clown? Oh no, maybe, because I met so many clowns without white face, and then what is clown now? And maybe the performers who don't speak any language, but it was not true because I met many clowns who speak. And then what? It's really confusing. What is clown then? And then funny one? Oh, maybe funny people called clown. And then, but I met some buffoon, which is scary and creepy. And it's, of course, it's funny, but still like scary. So then it confused me a lot. And then someone told me maybe clown is the performer who can interact with the audience a lot. So maybe That makes sense to me now, because I love to do the interaction with the audience. So my show is based on like how they help my adventure. So that's my understanding now. I think clown and clown's red nose have a sort of secret in this world. Like clown is one way of forgive ourselves. So we make a lot of mistakes or like a lot of tragedy in our lives, and the world is not always happiest place. And then I made such a mistake or mess, or like I regret so much or something like that. But the clown can forgive you or like forgive me or like forgive the world itself. So like it's okay, or like you can do it, or like you can recover it, or like you can laugh and forgive and permit and accept the world and the lives. So I think the clown and the red nose is that sign to love the lives.